Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are exploring one of the most beautiful and historic cities in the United States, Savannah, Georgia. If you are planning a trip to the south, you need to watch this. Let's dive right into the ultimate Savannah walking tour. If you're visiting this incredible city, there is one place you absolutely have to start your journey: the legendary Savannah City Market. Known as the art and soul of Savannah, this 4-block pedestrian promenade is the beating heart of the downtown area. As we walk down the bustling Main Street, you can instantly feel the vibrant energy. The shaded courtyards are alive with incredible live music, talented local street musicians, and artists working right in front of you. You're surrounded by beautifully restored historic warehouses that now host some of the city's best art galleries, eclectic boutiques, and open-air cafes. It's the perfect place to grab a drink to go, stroll under the fairy lights, and soak in the rich southern charm that makes Savannah so unforgettable. While you're here, you must pop into Byrd's Cookie Company. They've been baking memories since 1924, and you can sample their famous bite-sized gourmet cookies. Just steps away is the Georgia Tasting Room. It's the ultimate spot to sample regional wines, try some authentic local moonshine, or grab a refreshing wine smoothie. Next, we're heading over to the west end of River Street to experience Savannah's newest crown jewel, the Plant Riverside District. This place is absolutely spectacular. They took an abandoned 1912 power plant and transformed it into a massive, glittering entertainment district right on the water. As we walk along the riverfront, you're flanked by 2 massive, brightly lit smokestacks towering into the sky. The promenade is packed with high-end restaurants, rooftop bars, and vibrant outdoor plazas where you can relax and watch the giant cargo ships slowly sail past on the Savannah River. Whether you're looking for world-class dining, live music at District Live, or just a stunning waterfront sunset, Plant Riverside is the ultimate playground. It perfectly blends Savannah's rugged industrial maritime history with breathtaking modern luxury. You can easily spend hours exploring the unique boutiques and soaking in the incredible riverside atmosphere. If you're wondering where to stay, I highly recommend booking a room right here at the JW Marriott Savannah Plant Riverside District. It is an absolute masterpiece. The coolest part? The main lobby doubles as a jaw-dropping natural history museum. The moment you walk in, you're greeted by a massive 135-foot chrome-dipped dinosaur skeleton suspended from the ceiling, right alongside giant pterodactyls and original 45-ton industrial cranes. You can freely wander through exhibits featuring stunning, million-year-old giant geodes and rare gemstones. It's a completely immersive, luxurious, and unforgettable hotel experience. You won't find anything else like this anywhere. Finally, we're escaping the bustling riverfront for a peaceful walk through the North Historic District. Underneath a canopy of centuries-old live oaks draped in Spanish moss, we're greeted by the iconic sight of a horse-drawn carriage clip-clopping past stunning historic mansions. It is pure Savannah magic. Savannah is a city that captures your heart the moment you arrive. From the bustling riverfront to the quiet, moss-draped squares, every corner tells a story. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more epic travel adventures.